Upper plastic rivets.
The radiator grille is attached at the top with 4 plastic expansion rivets. Push the pin of the expanding rivet all the way inwards and then remove the outer part. You should obtain expansion rivets beforehand, part numbers with links in the description. Then pull the grille upwards out of the bumper. Underneath are the 2 expansion rivets of the bumper. Here you have to pull out the inner part first, and then the outer part.
Lower expansion rivets.
The bumper is attached to the underside with 3 plastic expansion rivets. Again, remove the inner part first, then the outer part. These rivets should also be replaced during assembly.
Screws to the side.
The bumper is screwed to the wheel arch liner at 2 points on each side. Remove screws. Now you can already pull the bumper sideways out of the guide. After that, you just need to unhook the bumper in the middle. Push the guide hooks down slightly and pull the bumper forward. The bumper shown in this video does not have fog lights or parking sensors. These would obviously need to be disconnected. The outside temperature sensor is located in the middle. Reinstall this in the grid during assembly. Good luck with your DIY project.